So if you look around, this whole building, all the way down past the car detailing, you've got another whole building over here. The building here in front of us. And this whole building here is lined inside with classic cars. Got the sales department up there, sales department's back there, sales department is over there. I used to work here as a vehicle salesperson, and now they will be installing my airbag kit. So, this concludes our trip at Atomic Motors. My truck has been airbagged, detailed, all the electrical, all the air lines are semi-truck quality, and you can find just about anything here. They've got over 240 classic cars here and 4 or 5 showrooms now, and they are just keeping on growing. Eventually, they may have a restaurant up here in front with a train car or an old style diner, and it'll all be done. The sign is up behind us. This is where you need to come. And the phone number, 702-826-3811. Make sure you ask for Bill, Jack, Troy, Paul. They're all here to serve and all here to help you. If you can't find something here, you can't find it at all. On that note, we'll see you on the road.